Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just select search bar and type here CMD, then right click here, select run as administrator and then select as. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands to fix this problem. Type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space slash renew and hit enter. Then type in netsh win sock reset and hit enter. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. After that, simply go to search bar, type in control panel, click here to open it and make sure you are selected view by as category, not the large icons or small icons. Select it and click on network and internet, select network and sharing center. On this window, select change adapter settings, and as per your particular internet connection, we need to right click on it, select properties, then select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. On this window, make sure you have to select use the following DNS server addresses. Select it, and from preferred DNS server you need to type in 8. You have to press simply dot 8.8.8 and press tab button, then 8.8.4.4. now click on OK and close all windows one by one. Once done, simply restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.